gonna show y'all how to change y'all oil and filter on the Chevy Tahoe. Come over here, let me show you something. Hopefully my volume is up good. But first thing, hold on one second, let me grab a towel, keep it right there. First thing you wanna do, and this is for women and men. First thing you wanna do, you wanna check your dipstick. See where your oil level is at. Okay, now you wanna do this at least. Me, I like to do it 2 or 3 times, but for this here video, I'm gonna do it just twice because I want to hurry up and get it over with. But you check your dipstick and see where your oil levels is at, and then you put that in there like so, right? Now, after that, I'm gonna lower this hood down, and I'm gonna jack it up in the air, and we're gonna get down to the business. Let's go. Okay. First thing you want to do, you want to get you some form of cloth or plastic or whatever you want to put down, some type of tarp, because it could get messy, right? Now, you always want to take all types of precautions so your cleanup job won't be that bad, all right? Follow me. You want to get nothing, shut it off, man. Now, this is the screw that you want to, or bolt or whatever you want to call it. This is what you want to unscrew. And your oil, you want to make sure you got your oil pan right here that I have right here, because it's going to shoot out. And here's your oil filter. Now, a lot of times you could do, yeah, see, I do mine frequently, so I could do it with my hand. And this is the way I'm going to show you how to do it to where you won't have to use that wrench, because sometimes that wrench don't work. But let me show you how this here works, okay? We'll show you how you get this hair off. And it's real easy. It's real easy. Even women can do it.
What is that supposed to mean?
But I wouldn't prefer it. Hang on. I know I'm in the way, ain't I? Mm-mm. You can still see the screw? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Wait, hold on. Let me see. No, I ain't say stop it.
I didn't stop it.
Okay, good. There we go. There we go. Now, watch this. Because it's going to shoot out. It's going to shoot out.
It's not focusing. Oh, there we go.
There it is. There it is.
Yeah, it is in the way. There we go.
Okay, there it is. Y'all see how that shoot out? That shoot out. It's very familiar looking, isn't it? Got kind of messy right there. Now what you do, you wanna do this first. Drain all of the oil out of the engine, and then you want to take off your fuel filter and let all of that drain out as well. Right? Now this is gonna take a little bit of, this might take a minute or so, but we're gonna get back at you once this is done, and I'm gonna show you the next procedure. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Now, when you get your bolt out of your oil pan, you want to make sure it's not warped. You want to make sure it's not stripped. Come closer so you can see this here. You want to make sure that the gasket is not, well, because see, when you tighten this in here, and I'm going to show you, when you tighten this in, you don't want to tighten it like you tighten it for your life. You want to clean that off. This is what I do. Now come on down here. Can you see? Can you see?
I think I can.
I don't need I think I can. I need you to let me know if you can see.
Where is this screw thing at?
It's right here. Don't worry about it.
Oh,
Let me wipe this here. Try to keep it. It's going to forever drip. It's going to forever drip. This is why you need to make sure you got it. Mm-hmm. Now look, man, don't let me look at this.
Yeah, I got it, Dad.
Okay. Now, you want to put that in there. I like to, hand screw it all the way down until it gets right to where I can't turn it no more. That way you got it in there and it's not going to be stripped. Because you don't want to strip this, because then you'll have oil leakage, right? Now, this is all I do right here. Like so. That's it. That's it right there. That's it. You don't want to do that too tight. Now, the oil filter, as I mentioned, you want to just pull that down. See, I change mine often, so when you change it often, you don't need a wrench or anything like that. And like I said in the beginning, I'm going to show you a little trick to make it easy to where you could just twist it off with your hand. Okay, you see that? I normally like to do that. Oh man, see, it's real messy job, real messy job. That's why you gotta have your stuff out to where, oh, there we go, there we go. Nothing is all over the place. You got it? You got that?
Yeah.
I throw that in there because I recycle oil as well. I recycle all of this here. I like to keep my area clean. And you just let that drain down like so. And I ain't gonna bore you with watching that drain. Let me get out, let me go get the filter, and we gonna continue this. Let's go. Now, as I stated, I'm gonna show y'all a trick to where you can lubricate your...
We got any lube? Like at this point, even olive oil would...
your filter, so it won't have to... You don't have to use that wrench. You can use your hand to unscrew it, right? Let me show you. This is all you gotta do. This is all you gotta do, right? And this will hook you up. It's a cool little hack. I usually pour a little bit in there, like that, like so. And then what I do, you know that, I take that and I put it around there, right? Now, cause see this oil, man, to be honest with you, this here lasts for a long time. And believe it or not, you don't have to worry about all that, you know, getting stuck. Cause a lot of times I've changed people oil, and this here gasket, man, has been soldered down or cemented or melted to whatever, and it's just not right. Or you take this off and it won't be nothing right there. You know, then that's when leakages occur. Cause see, if this sticks to the surface of what you're unscrewing it from, then when you get a new one and put it on there, then that's when it's not going to be an even seal, and it's going to cause leakages, and that's not what we want. So if you want to do this right here, keep that lubricated, and trust me, I don't care if you change your oil a year from now, which you're not supposed to be doing that. If you change your oil for a year from now, you'll be able to unscrew it with your hand. Now let's go. Let's finish this right here. Where my top at? Where my top? Okay, family. Like I said, let's get up under here and let me show y'all how y'all screw this thing on here. Let's go.
3 days later.
Okay, you ready? You got it?
Yeah.
First of all, can you see this here thing right here?
Let me see. Yeah,
What?
I can see that screw.
You can see this part right here?
Oh, let me get up under there.
Come on, man. You gotta get up under there so they can see. I'm not doing this
I
for
don't think
me.
they're gonna be able to.
Well, they'll be able to see.
To
It's
see
right
that.
next to wherever you unscrew your oil filter, you'll know. You'll
They
know.
can see it. They can see it.
Okay, got it. Now all you do is just screw this thing on like this. Screw it on like such. Wait a minute. Okay, there we go. Boom. Oh yeah. And see, I like to hand tighten mine. I don't do it with the wrench. I hand tighten it. There you go. It ain't gonna be no leakages. I can promise you that. Ain't no leakages. Now, you ready to go. All you gotta do is fill your oil up. That's it. That's it. Just that simple. A woman can do this, but I don't prefer it. I don't prefer it. It's not real feminine for a woman to do this. But hey, you ain't got no man in your life, and you can't do this here type of stuff, and he can't do this here, somebody got to do it. Now, like I said, it's time for me to put the oil up in here now. Let's go. Let me show you what to do. So you gotta make sure you don't purchase the whack funnels. Okay? Now, there we go. Now, starting out, I'm gonna go with the big guy first. And this is all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. It's real easy. It's real easy to do. It's real easy to do. Alright? Oh man, come on man. What is going on here? Okay, there we go. Now. That's how I like to do it. I like to just do it like this. And once you get all of it in there, you know, yeah, that's what it is. You might spill a little bit or whatever. Whatever that is. Come on. Let's get this going. Let's get it going. I like this part, you know. I like that fill up. There's something about that fill up, you know. You know what I mean?
Yes, Dad.
Okay. You gotta fill them up. Got, you know, it's a little bit of humanness to it. Okay, you ain't. If you looking at me,
Dad, I'm good. Dad, I'm doing it.
Okay. Well, let me look at that thing and find that it's messed up and watch what happened to you.
Now, he's allowing Mike Tyson to trap him in the corner.
Why I keep making that noise?
That's not the camera.
What is that?
The phone.
Oh, okay. What, your broads is on you or what?
Don't worry about what the players do.
Dad, no.
Okay. I thought they was trying to harass you. Oh man, there we go. Okay, boom. Now, cause see, it take 8 quarts on a Tahoe, whatever. It don't matter what you use. This is the same for most any American vehicle. Don't let them fool you into thinking that different vehicles are different. No, they all the same. I've changed oil on multiple vehicles. It's the same. You don't have to worry about it. Now, this ain't for the brothers that's my age. This is for these young dudes out here, man. You want to be able to change your lady oil. Your lady say, hey, I need an oil change, a tune-up. You want to be able to do that, man. You don't want her taking their car. You don't want her taking her car to somebody like me, cause she ain't gonna come back.
Playa say what?
I'm telling you, she ain't gonna come back, man. You get her, you know, a sex symbol, a good specimen like myself. You bring your lady, bring her car to me. Oh man, it's over with. You can forget about it. Cause I'm gonna show her how much you don't know. Now, get your mind right, fellas. For the young dudes. And some old dudes too. There's some older dudes out here that don't know how to do this too. You know, and for you young men out there, when your lady see you doing something like this, watch the look in her eyes. Watch the look in her eyes when she see, oh, my man, he know how to do stuff. He know how to do stuff. One time I had a partner of mine, his tire needed to be changed. And he called me while he was with his woman. And he was cracking jokes on me, but his woman wasn't. His woman wasn't cracking no joke because she was with him. She looked at him like, what you cracking jokes for? I need to be with him. If I was with him, I wouldn't be stuck on the side of this road. And that's what you fellas need to realize. As men, we got to be resourceful. We got to know how to do things like this because this is very basic. This ain't rocket science. This is very easy work. This is easy work. But it's nasty work when you don't know how to do it. And your lady come with the nice pedicure and manicure and say, hey, mister, you know how to fix my car? And I say, sure, sugar. You ain't gonna want that, bruh. So learn how to fix your own car so you can hook your lady up. And I'm clowning a lot on here because that's, you know, it's what it is. But, that's it. That's it. Oil and filter, done. Done. This ain't even a 30-minute job, for real. It's not even 30 minutes. I promise you. It took me this long because I got my son recording and he... Wait a minute, what's going on here? Is this what the game is or what? Now I get to the end and it's gonna do this to me? Okay, there we go. Wait, no it ain't. There it is. There we go. Boom. Now, done deal. Game over with. Now, tune in as I show y'all how to do other things. Come on, we gotta get closer, man. I ain't trying to yell. Tune in as I show y'all how to do other things because this is about to be my how-to channel. So I'm gonna show you how to do brakes next. By the time y'all done, y'all gonna be full mechanics when you look at my channel. Now, and cooking too. Don't worry about it. I got everything coming for you. But as you can see, you gotta be handy. All right, don't just be a walking specimen around here. And until next time, peace out.